What's good, what's good, what's good, family? Welcome back to another video on the channel, you guys. We are back with another banger. If you ain't known yet, we're dropping them all this year. Y'all, this is another Amazon wig, baby. If you ain't all eyes on me, you better stop what you're doing and watch. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am, baby. We is coming in with a 30-inch strong, 200% density. Got 3 combs in the back, 2 adjustable straps. It came with a wig cap inside, baby. 13 by 6. You best believe it's giving body wave. You feel what I'm saying? And it's very light to no shedding, y'all. It's a run. Get this wig. So, y'all, we already know what we're going in with. We're going in with another color today, and this is a new month. It is Pink Mania, and we are doing Pink Petal and also Sunrise Orange. So your girl is giving that pink sunrise feel for the summertime. You feel what I'm saying? So let's hop right into it. The first color that we used was Pink Mania. And when I say, you guys, it really didn't take like I thought it would. It gave what I thought it was going to give, but it gave a little bit too much. As you can see, the color was not taken at all with that Pink Mania. I even tried lowering the water to make it a little smaller just to think the color was going to catch onto the wig. But baby, it caught a little bit, but it didn't give what it was supposed to give. So we had to go in with that pink blush to make it happen. You feel what I'm saying? Keep on watching, you guys, and thank you for enjoying this video. We just not getting started. Let's get into it.
You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do.
You guys, I'm just going to work this color as much as I can before we go on with that pink blush to give it that more vibrant color that we're trying to give. I wanted to give this color a chance, but she wasn't giving. That wig actually took that pink blush amazingly, so beautifully. Like, you guys, it took it so freaking beautiful. And I did not expect it to take it like that, because at the top, it looked like it was trying to give me like a light color around the roots. So I had to keep working it. So at this point, I'm just making sure I have no blondes anywhere. None. Just so when I go in with that orange, it's giving the color that it's supposed to give, and we ain't got to redo anything. You feel what I'm saying? We want everything to catch that color. So you guys, now we're going in with the Sunrise Orange, and we're praying that she give what she's supposed to give. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you always detangle your wig before you put it in that color, because like I said, we want every color to catch every strand of that hair. Not every color, but we want the color to catch every strand of that hair. Y'all know what we doing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what we doing. We ain't got to do too much talking. Just keep watching the video, you guys. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't hit it yet. We used 1 whole bottle of Pink Mania, 1 whole bottle of pink blush, and also 1 full bottle of the orange. I had to lower the water again on this one because honestly the ends felt like they was not trying to catch that orange. So you guys just keep in mind to keep working that color. It ain't gonna always catch as soon as you put it into the color. You have to work that color into it. Sometimes it's the wig or sometimes it's the dye. In this case, I feel like it's the wig, but it did what it was supposed to do. The color did catch. So y'all, we're gonna hop right into this install with this wig, y'all. As you can see, it came with the ears already cut out. Y'all, when I tell you that is a stress reliever for me, that is a stress reliever for me because I hate cutting those ear tabs. Yes, ma'am. So this wig is a must grab, and I promise you, we getting another one. We getting another one. You best believe it. It touched my heart, y'all, when them ear tabs got cut off. But you guys, we are going in with our glue. We are using Bold Hold products. You already know what it's given. We are going in with the 6 layers of glue. Yes, ma'am. We said 6 layers of glue. And keep on watching just to see how those 6 layers turns out, you guys. Make sure you do thin layers of glue. Make sure you flatten that glue and get it seamlessly all across the forehead of your perimeter, and make sure you dry it on cool to make sure that it turns clear. Very important. Make sure the glue turns clear. As we get ready to lay this wig down, you guys, we're going to make sure all the hairs are pushed back, so we make sure none get inside of the glue, so we won't have no problems. But we're going to basically measure and make sure the wig is in place before we actually tack it down. Before we actually melt this mug into our scalp or into our forehead, y'all, we're going to make sure it's where we want to place it. This is my first time doing this, but I took my hot comb to help the lace melt into my scalp, and I felt like it did what it was supposed to do. So now we're going in with an extra step, and we're taking our got to be glue to go around our perimeter to give it an extra hold before we get ready to cut that lace. Once we put that band on, we're going to have that band on for 1 hour. Take it off and then get ready to cut the lace. Keep on watching, you guys, and watch we achieve this color. So now that we have let that band sit for an hour, we are going in with our scissors, and I like to cut mine into 3 flaps. It helps just to cut along the perimeter easy for me and to go along my edge line. Yes, ma'am, to go around my edge line, y'all. And y'all, we're going to be using these eyebrow razors to go around our perimeter because I feel like it gives you that jagged edge that you're looking for instead of having to do like a, up and down, or whatever you're trying to do, zigzag with the scissors or whatever. It's best just to get that eyebrow razor, baby. It's going to give you that jagged, give you that fine little cut. And that's all we need to make sure that wig and that lace is gone. Now that we have cut the lace, we are going in with our hot comb to make sure everything is slicked back. So when we get ready to put that Fantasia spritz on, it's nothing in the way. So you guys, we're going to use the Fantasia spritz twice around our perimeter to get rid of that white cast. Y'all, I swear this wig, this lace is giving scalp. Like, I'm not even kidding y'all. Look how it's looking. Where you see a lace? Lace where? Lace who? Where? Where? So you guys, with this styling, we are trying to get that perfect deep side part. Y'all, I do this side part on every video. Don't ask me why. I just love a straight look right before I go in, before curling it. And I love just the way that it falls and shows all colors. That's why your girl do straight every time in every video. Y'all just bear with me. We will do more styles and stuff as time goes on. But it's something about this straight blunt look that I give right after I install, and I love it. But you guys, we going in with our hot comb just to give us that oomph at the top, you know, making sure everything is where we want to be, how I want to be, and all that. And for me, we already know baby hairs is not my best friend, but we do love to achieve when we do a wig. Y'all, your wrist is the master when it comes to these baby hairs. I'm not kidding, y'all. Flick of the wrist is the best. That's all I can say. You have to flick that wrist. Use your finger, your pinky, anything to lay that hair down as you're swooping so it can stay in place. Foam is your best friend. I'm about to say Erica J. Foam is your best friend. The Fantasia Spritz is your best friend. And also your cap is your best friend to tie that mug down after you done laid it down. You feel what I'm saying? You just have to flick that wrist, y'all. It works off with practice. Once I lay my baby hairs down, I like to go in with my blow dryer just to blow dry before I put my band on so it won't take up the baby hairs once I take the band off, if that makes sense. You're not supposed to put band on wetness. Let it dry or let it sit and then put a band on it to wrap it. So you guys, this is the ending result. The color gave. The wig was beautiful. Like I said, light to no shedding. It is 30 inches long, and she's giving body and fullness all around, y'all. This is a run, not a walk. It's a must buy. It was $139, so it wasn't that bad. And I feel like it's a grab. Like, look at it. Look at the color. I feel like I did amazing. If this is your very first time, go on ahead and hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the family. If this is not your very first time, thank you for tuning in and seeing you in the next video.